Hello everyone and welcome back to the session of biology, and in which I will be talking the tips and tricks to secure 40 out of 40, the smart way to secure 40 out of 40. And again I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart that the way you have shown the love and affection to my past 3 to 4 videos, it's quite commendable, right? So because of you all people, it gives me motivate to come again with some of the great content, to come with videos like this. And I hope the session is really inspiring for you all people, right? So, and not only that, but also I will be announcing the giveaway winners, right? So I have before I have announced the winner number 1 giveaway winner, and in this particular video I will be announcing the 2 giveaway winners in this particular video. So I will be announcing at the middle of the video or else at the end of the video, right? So the first queries is how to secure 40 out of 40. The date is November 1. Today is November 1 and you are having the exam after 27-28 days, right? So how to secure 40 out of 40 in biology? As you know very well, only the 2 units are going to come. Unit number 1, which stands as a basic biology. Unit number 2 stands as a plant physiology, right? 2 units are going to come, and the most important, in the 2 units, 2 structure questions are going to come. That means in the specimen paper also, in many of the questions, many of the school examination, many of the sample papers also, 2 structure question generally comes. And remember, each mark, the 2 structure question which it comes is consist of 5 marks. That means 5 times 2, which is all about 10 marks, right? So the total number of marks is 40. Out of that, 10 marks will be coming your structure question. 10 mark will be your structure question. Is it clear? And now you people might be thinking where the structure question will be coming. See, many students are there, those who are using many different varieties of book. Many students are there, those who are using Together With. Few students are there, those who are using Goyal publication. And many students are even there, those who are using Conscience Selena, right? So many more students are having queries that even they were mailing me, even they are asking me, sir, we don't have Conscience Selena. If you don't have Conscience Selena, how can we keep 40 out of 40? And also in every video you say Conscience Selena, but in this way, but we don't have any Conscience Selena in case of biology. What shall we do? So do not worry about that. I will be making your concept clear. What shall you do in this? Your first priority, children, as I say in every video, exercise question. Children, exercise question. Why I am saying this? Because see, 2 structure question will be coming, children. 2 structure question will be coming, and if you are using Conscience book, I am talking about a Conscience student. If you are using Conscience book, I was calculating, and you can even calculate the total number of question is 23 to 24 structure question, children. 23 to 24 number of structure question is there from chapter number 1 to 6. That means from unit 1 basic biology coming to the plant physiology, 23 से 24 सवाल बन रहा है कौन सा, ना स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन में. And only the number 2 questions will be coming, right? If the 2 question will be coming, from where the 2 question will be coming? The 2 question will be coming from exercise questions. Now your query is, sir, we are not using Conscience book, we are using Goyal book. Okay, if you are using Goyal, do not worry, complete all the exercise question, because if you will be I calculated and I assume that it was all about 20 to 21 number of questions. What the structure question, children, right? Acha. And also now you might be there, many students are, sir, we are using Together With. If you are using Together With, student, do not worry, you are also having the same 20 to 20 number 1 questions. Which question? Text question, that is structure questions. And remember, मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आर रिमेन सिमिलर. दैट मीन्स गोयल का भी जो क्वेश्चन रहता है, कॉन्सेंस का भी वही क्वेश्चन रहता है. कॉन्सेंस का एक्सरसाइज में जो रहता है, टुगेदर विद का भी वही रहता है, अदर्स में भी वही रहता है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट, मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग विच इज देयर सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ थिंग. माय फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, माय डियर ब्यूटीफुल चिल्ड्रन, योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इज कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस, कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज, स्पेशली द स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन, चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज फोटोसिंथेसिस, 5 से 6 स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन निकलेगा, एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ रूट 5 से 6 स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन, इसे ट्रांसपिरेशन 5 से 6 स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन निकलेगा, genetics थोड़ा little bit reduce is there, but there also 2 to 3 structure question will be there. In this way many structure questions are there. I hope you can complete all the structure question and remember just स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन शायद में लिखा रहता है 2013, 2016, 2018, उसको कभी इग्नोर मत करा. दे आर द ईयर क्वेश्चन एंड इट विल बी कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल. So remember your first priority is the structure questions and which will be coming in the examination hall. Remember, and the question will be from the book. The question will be from the similar मतलब कौन सा इसमें. And now you might be thinking, sir, we don't have conscience book. We are using Goel books. We are using which kind of book I will talking together with. We don't have conscience. If you don't have conscience, go to the Google. Type there. Go to the Google. Right, in the Google you can search and you can get all the questions from there, and remember the questions will be, and do such type of questions which will be similar in your book also. Similar question बहुत करना, because वहां से question चमकेगा. If you are using PYQs then also very easy, PYQ भी करो. अच्छा, that is ignorable part. Now I am coming to the rest 30 numbers. 10 मार्क का बात खत्म. अब आते हैं 30 नंबर का सवाल. 30 कैसे करेंगे? अच्छा, so before starting this 30 marks, let me say that the giveaway winner number 2, the giveaway winner number 1 was Ansh Singh, right? He was from Lucknow. The giveaway winner number 2 is Chris Singh, right? And he is from Jharkhand. He is from Jharkhand. So do not worry, everyone is a winner from my side. So Chris Singh, do not worry children. Do not worry my dear child, the book will be reaching to your doorsteps as soon as possible, right? And the giveaway winner number 3 I will be announcing it later on. Stay tuned. Chalo, let's start the show with the 30 number of marks. The 30 number of marks will be there in which एक experiment चमकेगा. X experiment चमकेगा. One experiment will be coming. One experiment, maybe the experiment comes from genetics, may the experiment come from absorption of root, may the experiment come from photosynthesis. This is the very important question to your people. This question will be coming in the examination. One experiment चमकेगा. जहां experiment होगा बच्चों वहां पर पढ़ना है. और and one more question is again highlighted question, that is in the photosynthesis chemical reaction equation. Chemical equation of a photosynthesis, respiration का photosynthesis of glucose. For example, that I have taken water, glucose से what पानी निकलेगा, then carbon dioxide. I have forgotten a little bit to be honest. I have forgotten the equation. Equation is very important. देखो बच्चों, equation अगर photosynthesis से structure question बना, अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस से स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन बना तो इक्वेशन बनेगा, बिकॉज नॉट अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन इज देयर इन केस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस चैप्टर. नॉट अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन इज देयर इन विच इक्वेशन इज नॉट देयर. केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ इक्वेशन इज नॉट देयर. अगर स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन फोटोसिंथेसिस से बनता है दैट मीन्स केमिकल इक्वेशन बनेगा. अगर केमिकल इक्वेशन बनेगा, योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी टू कंप्लीट द केमिकल इक्वेशन. आई होप एवरीवन हैज लर्नड, एवरीवन हैज रिमेंबर्ड. इफ यू हैव नॉट रिमेंबर्ड, डू complete it right now. After the video you have to complete it children, right? After that phenotype, genotype, तो उनका रेशियो भी बताना है, उनका रेशियो भी बताना है. It's very very important children, रेशियो बताना है. And complete all the exercise questions, and from the exercise only the question will be coming. And not only that, but also children, if you are following Goel little bit, go to the Google. Do not purchase, I am not saying you to go and purchase the conscience book. If you are going school, you can go and borrow from the school library. बड़े भैया बड़े दीदी होंगे, देख लो उनसे. इफ नॉट, गो एंड सर्च गूगल. many fill in the blanks, true false, give one word. अच्छा, one more thing I have forgotten, MCQs in every chapter, in every lesson 3 to 4 MCQs are there, right? Any book you are following, any book I am talking, whether you are following Goel together with conscience, whatever book you are following, 3 से 4 सवाल बनता है. क्या बनता है ना, एमसीक्यू. उससे कभी इग्नोर मत करना. डू नॉट इग्नोर दोस क्वेश्चंस. पूरा रैंडम उस वहां से डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन बनेगा. आई रिपीट, वहां से डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन बनेगा. So this is the show and this is the strategy. I hope you have liked it, and this is the strategy how to secure 40 out of 40. Your first priority to complete all the structure question, second priority to complete all the exercise question of the 2 unit, third priority complete the PYQs, fourth priority all the MCQs and many more. And do not forget to do the sample paper. Do not forget to do the questions, random revision questions. And the third Oswaal winner goes to, she is none other than Vedika Yadav. She is from which Mumbai? East Mumbai perhaps, right? East Mumbai, and actually she is a girl, and she belonged to East Mumbai. So Vedika Yadav, so do not worry, the book will be reaching near your doorstep within a couple of days. So this is all about my strategy, and please do share this all with your friends, and thank you very much. Coming stronger in the next session in the mathematics, which is one of my favorite chapter, I mean favorite subject. Thank you very much.